What's up, my friends? Alexo Crypto here. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the Outer Gang. What's going on? Oh, it's a beautiful Monday. We got Farmer in the chat and Dave Digital. Namaste, Mr. D. Jenny from the blockchain. Go check out his channel. Friend of Alexo Crypto. Shout out to you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. I mean, it's a beautiful Monday. We had a trade set up. You know, being in Australia, we get the trade setups right when we're going to bed, okay? We get the literally right when we're going to bed when the trade setup happened. Okay, so we're here. We're here, right? We're right here. We're right here. Let's jump into it. Thank you guys so much for being here. We're jumping into it right away. We're here. It's okay. It's 11 o'clock at night, right? And don't get me wrong. I'm off work now, so I can trade this. But I'm used to going to bed at 9:30, okay? Because I'm a carpenter. You know, I'm selling the tools. They're back there. If anybody wants to buy some beautiful DeWalt tools, they're on Facebook Marketplace. We're orange pilling people today, okay? We're orange pilling. That's why we got the orange going on. But the trade setup was here, okay? So we look here. We're like, okay. So I was looking to short this in the morning, okay? Short came in. I was like, oh, no, I'm not going to take it. It popped right through, okay? Popped up on Sunday. And then all day this, okay? All day this. And we got this beautiful, lovely lady lump over here, okay? And then we get this little push up here. And that's the signal, right? That's the bearish, or that's the bearish divergence, right? We could see the divergence, but we're exhausted, okay? We're exhausted and we want to go to bed, right? So that was the setup. I mean, everybody who got up in the morning, look at this. You target the lows. So simple, right? Keep it simple, stupid. If you want to go into more detail, you can simply, I guarantee, you pull this here. Fibonacci, golden pocket. Come on, man. It's right there. Your entry would have been even better, okay? So it's right there in front of your eyes. This is why we're moving to Canada, okay? I just robbed myself of a beautiful 1% trade. Okay, so we're going to find you some more things. We're going to help you guys find these trades, see these trades. We're going to be making lots of videos on being able to catch these moves. And hopefully you're awake or at least somewhat paying attention so that you can get into them. Okay, we've seen some exhaustion here, some wiggity, wiggity, wiggity wicks, and we're looking to push up here. But look at this, we're getting rejected from anything trying to come back into this range here. So let's break down Bitcoin. Let's take a look at it. We're going sideways, okay? So a little bit of reverse engineering here is that we are going sideways here. Very much sideways consolidation. We are failing to get above this area here around 29.8. Okay, that's the consensus here. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the beautiful, beautiful, beautiful weekly candle here, which is quite bearish. Okay, which is quite bearish. Look, the otter is even pointing down to the right. Otter power down and to the right. So we're going to be watching for this to come down. Okay, now. What I did yesterday is I deleted everything off my charts, okay? Deleted everything off of here because you know what we're going to do? We're going to simply set up my chart for success, okay? It's very easy to do, okay? So what do we do here? First, I'm going to pull volume from here. Let's pull volume, okay? Now, we got a POC. This is the big daddy stuff, okay? And then we have the horrible line that we can't cross, okay? So we're going to make sure that we have that. Now, how do we trade this range here? So we're consolidating sideways. We're going to pull this range from here to here, okay? Now, value area high. Point of control, I would say it's actually here around 20,200. So let's change this. Let's bring it back a little bit. Let's go to here. And let's look at this way, okay? So as we go through here, we're just looking at volume profiles. We're trying to set up our chart for success in order to trade this. And where are our key levels? So I'm just marking out key levels and where we're looking to trade. Now, one thing that we note is that this bearish candle yesterday, I mean, this is pretty steep stuff, you know. It kind of didn't even wick up to the top, okay? So this to me is a very bearish looking candle, which means that what were we looking at? We're looking at this trend line right here. This is the trend line. Very, very simple, right? So we're looking to come back down into this area. Now, doesn't that mark up quite nicely with this beautiful 28,000 area, okay? So make sure to put this 28,000 area on your chart. This is where we're looking for a bounce, okay? So we want to keep our eye on the prize. Where are we headed, right? We're in a downtrend right now. You can see very, very, very scary when you look at this bearish divergence. Okay, we were just talking about bearish divergence. You can see it right here. Okay, so one thing I do want to note is that there is no candle closes up here. Okay, everything got wicked out. Everything. Wickety, John Wickety. Okay, so we want to be very careful here because it looks like exhaustion, like we would spot in a short-term time frame trade. Okay, so we want to be very careful here because this looks bearish to me. If it doesn't look bearish to you, well, let's get with the program. Okay, we got VWAP coming under. We got the confirmed red dot. We have money flow curving down. We got the stochastic pointing down. Down, 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 down. It's screaming at us, okay? Does this mean we're going to drop in the next coming hours? No. This means this is a weekly candle, and we're looking to move it down. Now, if you want to get even more technical, let's go and look at the monthly, because guess what? It's August, baby. It's August 1st, okay? It's August 1st, and I know we're in the future here in we're in the future here in Australia, but we got this beautiful July candle, okay? So what is the July candle saying to us? Let's look at this, okay? This is very important, okay? Because this is our beautiful long-term trend here. We're on the Bybit chart. So we got a reverse doji. Didn't get reversed, but we got a wick up, okay? Failure to come above this key level at 31.8, I'd say. That's around 31.8. So mark that out as well, please. 31.8. Where we can see that we failed to get above, candle comes down, and, you know, a little push down, but mostly a bearish candle, okay? So yes, the candle has closed. Now, August is in store. Now, I've been looking around on crypto Twitter, and on crypto Twitter, Elon Musk, he loves Canada, okay? He loves Canada. Elon Musk loves Canada. Okay? Make sure that you know that Elon Musk loves Canada on crypto Twitter. Okay? He just said it. He loves Canada. But on crypto Twitter, August has been a negative month. Okay? I think it's 5 out of 12 that we've closed. We've had a negative month. Okay? Same with September. And also, this is quite a long stretch for Bitcoin between now and the next interest rate hike, okay? So we have an 81% chance of no hike. So we're going to keep our eye on the prize here, okay? This is quite a long way, September 20th, but we're going to keep our eye on this, okay? Just so that we're keeping you guys informed. So make sure to keep that up to date. Now, let's see what else we can find. Back to the charts, okay? Back to the charts. Let's go to the daily. Now, this is where it gets fun, okay? This is where it gets fun. This range from here, we traded it ever since March, coming all the way across here. Let's pull that volume profile tool. Let's take a look there. Kateson Mura, BTC, very slowly. I'm bored. RSR. Yeah. Mura, thank you so much for being here. It is a bit tough right now. There has been some trades, but no big moves, right? We're looking for the big move. Where can we go from here? And you know what? It is a bit painful. I totally agree with you. It is a bit painful, but we're going to be patient. We're going to keep dollar cost averaging, and we're going to look for these mini trade setups. Now, I did give a heads up for an OP trade last night. OP had quite a nice push, so there are trades to be had. But we need to be patient. Make sure to get your coffee. Okay, so yes, this aligns perfectly with the point of control here. We got the value area high here, which is holding us up as support right now. And then we have a value area low down here. Okay, so key levels. Now, we're looking for a beautiful, beautiful retracement, right? So I'm going to pull a fib from here to here, okay? When I pull that fib, what do we get? We get a beautiful, beautiful area of retracement, okay? Now, this is going to be the key target for us right here, okay? We're going to be looking at this 28,000 area. Let's bring it down just a little bit because we're looking for that wick, right? We're looking for that John Wick entry. Very patient, okay? Very patient. Bloody Bitcoin, as Mrs. Otter would say, because she's British AF. But so let's put all these horizontal lines. Actually, let's make a couple more. Let's put all these horizontal supports and resistances into action here. So we're gonna group all these horizontal lines, okay? Let's get rid of the price labels. We'll put the price labels on later, but we're going to group all this fun stuff, okay? Create group. We'll call it the horrors. Horrors lines. Horrors lines, okay? Now that isn't a swear word. I swear to you. So we got the horrors lines here, okay? So very key to have all those beautiful, beautiful. Pull the fib. Jonas the Wick Whisperer. What's up, my man? Hope you're doing well. Man, I appreciate your support, my brother. I appreciate you. So, as we work our way down here, now what is the daily, the 2-day, and the 3-day saying? Well, it's saying that we might get a push up here. The 2-day is looking a little bit bullish. Money flow has crossed down into the red, but we're looking to curl up here and bounce. Okay, so can we bounce? Trap Money Benny. Always got to drop a beat for Trap Money Benny. What's up, my brother? Hope you're well, my friend. Just taking a look at the trade setup we had last night. You know what? It's hard to trade when you're going to bed and the trade setup's looking at you right in the face. So we were talking about the beautiful bearish divergence that we had last night. I was like conking out, ready for bed. That was the setup here. Bearish divergence, short into the bear div. You know what? It's 11:30 at night. I'm ready for bed. I don't know about you, but I was like, I'm not trading this, man. I'm not going to wait. See, I would have had to wait till 5 in the morning to get those profits, right? I mean, nice trade, but man, this is why we're moving to Canada. This is why we're moving to Canada. You know, Elon Musk, he loves Canada, right? Did I tell you that? Elon Musk loves Canada. This got me today. Always. Just once. Elon Musk loves Canada. Elon Musk loves Canada. We're moving to Canada, okay? Look, we're getting a push up here. We're getting a push up. So, what do we see on the daily? A little bit of a beautiful green dot here. We're very much oversold. And I love Vancouver. So amazing there. Yes, agreed. Beautiful mountains. I mean, blue lakes, forest fires. Whatever. Whatever you're into, my friend. So as we flip through here, yes, we're getting the green dot confirmed, but right now it's very much a sideways action. Vancouver is gorgeous, though. So we can look for a trade step. Now, in the long term, I'm looking for an attempt back up to this level, okay? So 29.8 is going to be a key level of resistance, okay? So when we pull, let's pull some fibs here. Let's look at this range and get a little bit in the nitty-gritty, okay? When we pull a fib here, where are we going to go? Look at that. That is pretty bang on, right? So we're looking for liquidity, right? We're looking to grab liquidity at some level, and we're going to look for a short here. This would be the short area that I'm looking Yes, there was that opportunity last night, and that's a short-term trade, right? We're looking to find a bigger fish, right? We're trying to catch some big fish here. We're trying to catch the move, right? So one thing we always worry about in the crypto community is this consolidation sideways, and then it's just water falling over the edge, right? So we're looking for the bull div, massive bull div, or we're looking for the liquidity grab and the drop down, right? So these are two of the ideas I have right now, for now. Also, if we pull this beautiful, beautiful fib all the way to the top of the range, we could be looking to coming back up into this volume area. Now, if we do flip this to support and continue upwards, that could be bullish, okay? So it doesn't mean that the bulls can't fight back, okay? Yes, we are in the steep downtrend, but right now, the trend is your friend. We're in a downtrend, right? You can simply see that even if you pull this straight across here, pull that down to there, right? You can see this downtrend. Yes, this is an anomaly, massive push up, but we're going to look for this to continue its way down. And the closer we get to getting sideways here, I believe that's when we'll get a closer decision to which direction this wants to go. Okay, so there's many ways of looking at this, but right now, very much bull flagging out right now in this downtrend, right? Can we draw some sort of triangle? Of course, we could draw triangles. Are you a profit taker if BTC hits 40K? Well, for me right now, when we look at this, I've DCA'd in Bitcoin since we dropped down to 15, and then I grabbed a whole bunch more when we came down to these levels here. Okay, so I was accumulating even more at 25. Okay, if we do pump up, now let's look at the big daddy chart. Okay, this is the big daddy chart. If we do pump up, what can we be expecting? Okay, now I know if a lot of you probably watch Benjamin Cowan, but we always seem to get this kind of dump. Okay, so we get this massive pump up, the dump down, and then this consolidation sideways, and then the dump. Okay, and yes, this was COVID. Okay, this was COVID, that horrible C word, COVID. Okay, but you can see in my opinion, we are here. Okay, we are somewhat around here. Can we see us bleed out a little bit more? I am in that case. Now, I'm a bit of a bear, so bear with me, okay? I'm not ready for this moonshot. Just the state of the economy, the looming recession, everything else. I'm not in this idea of we're just going to the moon right away. We've had amazing moves by the S&P, right? Amazing moves. Look at this thing. It's on a tear, right? It's flying up. Right, we're coming up to key. We're not even at all-time highs, but we're coming up to very key levels of resistance here. We're looking for a rejection down, and for these top sevens, we have reports this week. Now I throw the reports into the Discord so that we can be informed. So this week, the big one's Amazon and Apple on Thursday. Okay, Amazon and Apple over here. Big Airbnb. That gives us a good sense of the housing market too. And Uber, and Pfizer, I guess. So there's some reports this week that we need to be aware of, right? Which can definitely move the markets. AMD as well. AMD is like trailing NVIDIA. I think Gareth Soloway's talking about an AMD/NVIDIA trade right now. So you got to be aware of what's coming up this week. Also this week, we do have beautiful, we got jobs openings, right? We got jobs and we got farm payrolls and unemployment rate. So there are things happening this week. They will move the markets. So we need to be prepared, right? We need to be prepared. That's why we're preparing you this beautiful Monday so that you don't get caught in the dark, right? When all these things come in, all of a sudden, boom, price is moving, right? So we need to be prepared. I've been saying this since back here. I'm in the consolidation phase mode, right? Can we come back down and test the 25 again? I believe so, right? I think that would be healthy. Do I think we're going to put in new lows? No, I'm not in that camp. I was in the camp where it's like, okay, we're coming down to 12K. And guess what? We didn't, right? And we all regret not buying more after Sam Bankman-Fried killed our market, right? So we're holding strong. Bitcoin is going to be a good buy no matter what. I'm in the camp of 150, 120, whatever Bitcoin by 2025 later on, okay? I'm in that camp. So, I mean, come on. If you're going to be greedy, you could be greedy, but if you're getting that move, man, you're giggling, okay? You're giggling to the bank, okay? So, let's all be patient here. Let's try to trade the ranges and dollar cost average, right? That's the name of the game, Listen to any of the people who've been in the space for a long time. It's just DCA, and if you're a trader like me, we trade the ranges, right? We trade the ranges. Okay, where are we? Are you a profit taker? Yes, I am a profit taker. So we're looking for that retracement. If we come up to 40K, what's a 40% retrace here? Yeah. I think I'll be a profit taker for some of it. I'm always realizing profits. Even with the capital gains tax in Canada, you got to pay yourself, right? I think you pay yourself, but we'll look for that retrace somewhat in the next coming months, somewhere in between here. So pay yourselves, always pay yourselves. So looking at the Bitcoin price, we're in the downtrend. We're looking to bounce off of this level, right? We have a clearly defined downtrend. We have clearly defined support and resistance above us. Matic 1 hour div. So let's jump over to Matic just for a second. But yes, on Bitcoin, we're looking for it to hold this area, and if we lose it, we're looking to come down to 28,000, okay? It's very, very simple. Keep it simple. Let's go over and check out Matic. 1 hour. Whew. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Okay. Is that a lower low? Ooh, that's tight, man. That's tight. Wow. Good drop on Matic. Holy smokes. Matic does not want to lose this lower trend line. Oof. That's not looking good. That's not looking good. Yellow X's. I mean, I bought some at 54. Around here. 54, 55. Eesh. I'm very bullish on Matic in the long term. Don't get me twisted, but it's not looking good for Matic. What's the daily saying? The daily... Daily's got room to pop, right? The daily's got room to pop. Now all these things seem to be resetting. The 6 hour looks bullish as ever. We're looking for this money flow to creep back up, and it has. It's very, very clear that the money flow is coming back up, and we're very much oversold. Looks like there's a lot of space on Matic. Could be a possible trade setup. My friends, remember to always pay yourself. If we do get back up to this trend line. This would be my key level of resistance. If we can flip this to support and continue upwards, that would be great. Jonas is long. Let's pump it for Jonas. There you go. We're pumping it for you. Let's go, Jonas. Okay. So it's just some confluence with BTC. Oh, I'm losing my voice. I haven't live streamed 3 days in a row for forever. We're going to set records. We're going to set records. Okay, Bitcoin dominance coming up to the trend line. Okay, I know everybody hates Bitcoin dominance, but we look at it. We're looking for it to pop back up, right? Alts bleed into Bitcoin. Bitcoin goes boom, okay? S&P is at key level of resistance. How did it do today? Okay. Opened up high. So yeah, to me that just means it's gonna probably pop off and bleed down, right? It's got resistances. Dixie's pushing. Dixie's pushing up. This could be the reason why we're getting a little bit of downwards action. Dixie's pushing up. We got a resistance at 103. Following this trend line, we're looking at it to get to 103 where Bitcoin drops because of the Dixie. We'll be watching this. Once this goes up, Bitcoin's going to come down, right? So it's getting a bit of a push here. We do have that key level of resistance at $1.02, okay? $1.02 right here. Key level of resistance. So if it can push through here, look for that to continue. Look for that to continue. Yeah, look at the Dixie. Dixie's got to push up. Now it's hitting on this resistance, this 102 resistance. It's looking to continue its way upwards, okay? Inverse correlation, right? Inverse correlation to Bitcoin. As the Dixie moves up, we can see Bitcoin drop a little bit more. So we got to be careful here. What about, let's look at ADA. ADA's dropped down too. Whew. Yeah, they're challenging this trend line here. Ooh, ADA looks like a possible nice long entry here on ADA. Long position. Let's target the highs, at least here. Look at that. Bullish divergence on the 1 hour. Look at that. Let's go, boys. Let's go, lads. We got the bull div on ADA here. Alex is sexy. What? Why are you extra sexy today? I'm just trying to put on a show for you, Dave. I got the silver fox. Extra silver foxes for Dave. Oh yeah. I'm wearing the Every Child Matters Foxy lady shirt. A little flex for Dave. Dave Digital in the house. Look at the ADA trade. I'm going to jump on and take an ADA trade just for fun. Let's go. Where's ADA? This is not financial advice, okay? We're looking for ADA to pop off. Can it pop off? We're in an ADA trade, not financial advice. Whew. Who's bullish on ADA long term? Anybody bullish on ADA long term? Gala long. I was looking at Gala. Oof. We're looking at Gala to drop like it's hot, baby. We're looking at Gala. Jonas posting the ADA in the Discord. My ADA 1 hour trade. Look at that. Whew. Make sure to set your stop loss. I'm setting my stop loss. Where are we setting our stop loss? 30.50? Amazing. Trading with the homies. '28th and moon on ADA. Oh yeah. It's set somewhere there. I love your risk management, bro. That's amazing. We're risk managing well. We have longed ADA. We'll see. Let's target 30. Let's target 31.30. Okay, that's where we're gonna target. 31.30. 31.30. Putting it in. That will be our target. Okay. Let's see how we do. Whoo-wee. Let's go. Pump it. Pump it, baby. Thank you guys so much for being here. I appreciate every single one of you, just so you guys know. We're trying to get this out to more people, trying to grow the channel, man. We're only at 380 subscribers. I'm very grateful for every single one of you. Trying to get people to join the beautiful Alexo Crypto community. However I can help, just let me know. But I appreciate every single one of you. You real OGs have really held it down. Thank you guys so much for your support. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you. I'm bullish on ADA 2025 to $5. Yeah, I got a big bag of ADA too, my friend. Not financial advice. I just got a text message from my mom. She said, I've seen you live. I see you going live. To be fair, Mama Otter can't even use the computer, so that's pretty amazing. She's probably got the bell notification on. Thanks, Mama Otter. Okay, let's go over to OP. Now, we were looking at OP. We were like, it's pumping, possible trade. Now, the trade was a short, okay? When we go over to OP, it was moving quite amazingly last night. Look at this. OP's had quite the move back up. It's touched key level of resistance here around $1.80, and it's gotten rejected, okay? So we're looking for it to come back down into this range here. Mrs. Otter just came in the house. She's brought mail. We got any good mail? We got a postcard from my mom. Is that a moose? No way. Let's show the Otter Gang the moose. All right. Coming over. We got a postcard from... I was just talking about. Look, we got a postcard from Mom. It's a moose. We're going back to Canada. Look at that. That's a big moose. Look at the moose. Oh, amazing. We got a postcard. Postcard's cool, man. It's like old school stuff. Sync view. I'm in Newfoundland. Oh, yeah. It's beautiful here. Miss you every day. I don't even know what that says.
Tractor, signal, hail.
Trekked up Signal Hill.
Whale watching tomorrow.
Whale watching tomorrow. Love you both. Mama. Aww. Isn't that nice? We're loved. You didn't wave to the Otter Gang.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry.
She's sorry. She's sorry. Anonymous. We found Anonymous. We found him. We found Anonymous. Oh man, this is too funny. This is too funny. Okay, so we're looking at OP, right? Let's get back into it, my friends. Looking at OP in the place to be. Dave Digital, I'm in DGens. We're talking about our ADA trade. We're in an ADA trade right now, okay? We got the bull divvy on the ADA, okay? We're looking to come back up to 31.30. We got the bullish divergence on the 1 hour. What does the 30 minutes say? 30 minute. Yeah, come on. We're ready to pop off here. This is 24. Let's see the moving average. Okay, the moving average. Can we blast through this 21? We got the 9, the 21, and the 55 moving average. Okay. Let's make sure. Okay, let's go on to the nitty gritty here. Whew, now we're bumping off and up. Look at that. We're pushing. We're pushing. We're pushing. We got a trigger wave here. Oof. We're triggering up. We're crossing over. Okay, trigger wave. We're very much oversold. Can we pop off? Let's go. Pop off like a race car in the yard at the Supermax. We got to tag Anonymous with the Anonymous postcard. Look at that. We're pushing. Let's go, Ada. Charles Hoskin, Alien Hunter. Let's go. Here, we'll give you an arrow. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, man. Too good, man. The race war. Oh, this is great. This is great. So we'll keep an eye on our ADA trade, okay? We're not going to go. We could go into the 3-minute degen area or not, but we'll keep an eye on this. Come on, push, Charles. Push. Push. What's going on with the Bitcoin? Bitcoin's pushing up as well. Bitcoin's pushing up. Look at that. Beautiful push up from Bitcoin. It loves the new range, man. Bitcoin is in love with the range. Let's take off the EMA. That's a bit crowded. We got the blue triangle on the short-term time frames. Bitcoin is just, it's, in my opinion, Bitcoin's consolidating sideways right now. It's just very much, it's a sideways show, right? We're back above the point of control, which is good. If we're bullish on ADA, that means that we could be continuing upwards on ADA trade, okay? So let's see if we get a continuation here. Bitcoin, you can come up right now so we can get more profits on our ADA trade. Pop off like race car. 8 p.m. here. What time is it here? It is 11 a.m. in the morning, okay? It's 11 a.m. You're on the West Coast, right, Dave? I'm pretty sure. West Coast. Yeah, what time is it in Toronto? In Toronto. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it's 9 in Toronto. Yeah, it's late, man. You're central. You're central, Dave. You're central. You're the man in the center. Texas. Uh-oh. He's from Texas. My man. All right. Be careful. Don't mess with Dave Digital, man. He's from Texas. Don't get off of me, TradingView. Look before you leap, okay? I'll look before I leap. I've paid for you. I'm liking and subscribing to the paid for you. Ooh, we flag it on this total 3. What's XRP doing, my friends? What's XRP doing? Let's take a look at XRP. If there's anything else you guys want me to look at, I will gladly do that for you. We're going to take a look at XRP. Then we're going to look at Link and see if we can find any trade setups for you and your beautiful face. We are making lower highs on Chainlink. Okay, so XRP. Are you going to go see Piano Matty B live on Friday or Saturday when you're back home in the Jimmy? I mean, I got to go and pay homage to Piano Jimmy B. Piano Matty B, sorry. You got me all mixed up with Jimmy. Yes, I am. That guy's got some funky TA, man. That's got to be the coolest. I'm pretty sure I showed Mrs. Otter his TA once. Do you remember that, Mrs. Otter, when I showed you that guy's TA and it's all like outer space? And she said it's like a psychedelic trip watching that guy's TA. Oh, that's amazing. Yeah, Mrs. Otter was like, what is going on? Too good. Too good. Too good. Yeah, we got to go see him. Got to go pay homage. XRP is flat and sideways, okay? XRP does not look like it's ready to go anywhere besides sideways. Money flow is coming out, okay? So that's not a good sign on the daily. Not a good sign on the daily. We're looking for it to come and swing. There's liquidity to grab in the middle of this wick, in my opinion. So we're looking for it to come down to like 64 to 62 cents. And then we're looking for XRP to pop up, okay? Bullish long-term XRP. Thank you for fighting the court case. We appreciate you. I have a small bag of XRP, not a major hold in my portfolio, but we're looking at this to come back down. But it doesn't want to lose this range, okay? It doesn't want to lose the range. What's going on with our Cardano trade? It's still sideways. You can do it, Cardano. I believe in you. I believe in you. Yeah, XRP is very much, it's out of this range. It's pushed out, which is beautiful. This is the level where it has to stay above. We're looking at this and obviously massive push up, coming back down to reality, staying sideways here. As long as it doesn't fall below this bar here, we're in good nick, okay? We're in good shape. And that's around 61, 62 cents, okay? So that's what we need to watch on XRP. The weekly is looking bearish, okay? Massive wick up, shooting star candle, bearish engulf, and uncertainty now, right? Down and sideways. So this is what we have to watch for, okay? XRP is moving a bit, but in the short-term time frame, I've sit on my hands. I'm waiting for that swing failure pattern down, okay? We've had a couple here on XRP, but nothing too significant. So going to keep our eye on the prize, wait patiently. Maybe we'll grab a bit more of a bag if we do get a dip down, but right now we're just looking to see where the price will go. Sideways and to the right is what most things are doing, right? You can draw flags if you want. Like, you can say that, XRP is in a beautiful flag and it's looking to break upwards, but right now we're going to have to just be patient with the XRP trades. I mean, very bullish news, but news is news, right? Until we see further adoption, I don't think we're going to see XRP just jump off the bus and ride up to $10 or whatever the heck people think it's going to go to. But amazing for XRP, bullish long term, okay? Bullish long term. gonna have to be patient here, in my opinion. Let's go over to Link. We are making lower highs on Link. Okay, we came up, we touched here. We were saying let's get into a short here, right? The short, that's the long. Let's get into a short here. And look at this. It's come back down to reality, which has been nice. Which is good, you know. We had this trade set up in advance, so keep an eye on. If you come over to the Discord, I'm gonna start to give more TA setups in here so that we can help you guys remain profitable. I will set you guys up with what I'm thinking, and make sure I keep you guys up to date. Obviously, everything is free, so I'm just trying to keep you guys updated, informed, and try to help you guys make some profits, obviously, because, you know, that's what we're all about here, is helping each other grow, practice good mindset, and having the most friendly, nicest, kindest community on the planet. The real OGs. Oh, we're getting a little dip here from our ADA trade. Maybe I shouldn't have traded the breakout. You never, ever know, do ya? Right? Going back over to ADA. This is the daily. Can we continue upwards? Mr. Charles Hoskins. We're also looking at Matic. Let's jump over to Matic as well. He does live dueling pianos from the Jimmy on the Friday and the Saturday. Matty B. St. James Hotel killed us all. Are we back? What happened? We're good, right? We're good, right? Throw some others in the chat if we're still live. I'm pretty sure we're live, right? We're live. What happened? Are we live? We back? Why is it loading? Uh-oh.
What?
The bit rate's too high on my stream.
Right.
I don't know if that'll change it, but no.
Did you just start?
No, I've been streaming for a while.
Oh, maybe that's.
A sign?